holy crap, this is awesome. This is a new feature to Oslo. You have like these Venice type kind of canals in Stavanger. They're currently like constructing it all now, but as you can see around me, it looks amazing. You know, really cool thing to do in Oslo once it all finishes up. But you can check it out now via Kayak. So I highly recommend taking it down to Stavanger, and then you have to squeeze through a couple of underpaths and go through little tight spaces. But once you get here, it really is something unique to see via Kayak.